In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect OpenClaw AI to your Instagram account. This process involves several steps that will guide you from launching PowerShell to integrating OpenClaw with Instagram through the necessary settings. Begin by clicking on the search box located on your Windows taskbar. This will allow you to access various applications and tools available on your system. Once the search box is open, type Windows PowerShell into the field to locate the application quickly. After typing, you will see Windows PowerShell appear in the search results. Right-click on the Windows PowerShell icon, which will bring up a context menu. From this menu, select the option that says Run as Administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions to execute commands. When PowerShell opens, you will see a command prompt. Type the word OpenClaw into the PowerShell window and press the Enter key. This command will initiate the OpenClaw application. Once the command is executed, you may need to wait a moment for the application to load fully. Next, you should type in OpenClaw Gateway into the PowerShell window and press Enter again. This action will prompt the system to provide you with a local URL. You will need to copy the URL displayed, which should look like http://127.001.18789. This URL is essential for accessing the OpenClaw control. Open your default web browser after copying the URL. In the address bar, paste the URL you copied and press Enter. This will navigate you to the OpenClaw control interface where you can manage your integrations. Once the page loads, you will see the OpenClaw dashboard. In the OpenClaw control interface, locate the search or input area and type Integrate with Instagram. Upon doing this, you should receive a confirmation message stating, yep, we can do that. This indicates the system is ready to proceed with the integration. Following this, you will see another prompt asking for additional details. Type posting automation into the input area. The system will respond with a message explaining that Instagram allows official auto posting only through the Instagram Graph API for professional accounts. Ensure that you have a professional Instagram account to proceed. You will be provided with a clean setup path to follow. This includes switching your Instagram account to professional and connecting it to a Facebook page. Ensure you have admin access to the Facebook page to complete this step successfully. Continue by creating a meta app at the Facebook developer's site. This app will allow you to manage API permissions and generate a long-lived access token necessary for the integration. Make sure to note down the access token and account ID, as you will need to paste these values back into OpenClaw. Once you have the required information, return to OpenClaw and paste all the necessary details into the appropriate fields. This will finalize the connection process between OpenClaw AI and Instagram. Be mindful of any errors that may occur if the access token is incorrect or the account is not properly configured, and that completes the process. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.